Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on a phone. Samsung Galaxy A52s. We start by turning off the phone. Never clean it while it's on, so we press and hold the volume down and power buttons to bring up the power menu. Then select power off, turn off. If you have a code, confirm it and the phone will turn off. For cleaning, we need a brush with flexible bristles, preferably soft or medium hard. We need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure. And it's also good to have a little plastic tool that will help us get into the corners. Clean the sockets in case any dirt has accumulated there after cleaning. We printed it ourselves, but you can also find it on Allegro. Basically, the point is for the tip to be slightly curved upward. And make sure it's plastic, not metal, because metal could cause a short circuit and damage your phone. You can buy this little brush and diffuser as a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have access to those, you can just use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure, as I mentioned earlier, that it's either soft or especially hard. If it's hard, it could scratch your phone, which is definitely not the desired outcome when cleaning. So, with the phone turned off, we soak the brush thoroughly in alcohol. We take the phone in our hand, insert the brush as far as it will go into the port, and move it to the side. We repeat this motion about 10 to 15 times to make sure it's thoroughly cleaned. That's one part of the port done. Next, insert the brush from the other side of the port and move it in the opposite direction, again about 10 to 15 times. This way the entire port will be perfectly clean. You can repeat this process 2 to 3 times in each direction, especially if the port is very dirty, to ensure it gets even cleaner and the dirt is loosened and eventually comes out after a few tries. After cleaning, you can set the brush aside and take this plastic piece, as well as this other plastic piece. Run it along the bottom of the port and check if there's any dust or debris left at the very end of the port. This plastic tool would then allow us to remove it without any problems. Go in one direction, then the other, and do the same for the upper part of the port as well. If there was anything in there, this plastic tool would pull it out for us. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate. After that time, you can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.